And then next thing you want to do is grabbing the corner flap on the other side, and from this point to about here diagonally we will fold this model up and squash down, so it's sticking about this much out the other side. Yeah, and then we can just press that down. And then we will slightly unfold and tuck that underneath all this, like so, and then flatten it again, and then grabbing this small corner here, we're going to fold down, like so. And finally, this point that's right here, we are going to fold into this corner here. The point should meet that corner, and then squash that fold down, and then taking the sellotape, as I mentioned for you to grab before, we are going to stick that down. I need 2 hands for this. Yeah, we're just gonna stick that down there. I'm gonna make this piece of tape smaller, and then like so, and then we're just going to repeat all the same folds on the other side of the model. So awesome. So then, final step, what we now want to do is we are going to blow the bottom of the model here. So there's a small hole here, you're just going to blow it and that will inflate the model. I mean, if you stretch it out, oh, this might work actually. But if you stretch it out a bit and then blow, it shall inflate the model to make your cow's head, and then you're just going to slowly tweak it because you don't want to break it. My paper's a bit more hard, so I'm just really slowly doing this because I don't want it to rip. But yeah, I'm going to fiddle around with it for a bit. So yeah, finally, after you've inflated it, you should get a cow's head looking like this, which is really cute. I know it's a bit like botched up here, but yeah, it's difficult to make sure. But yeah, look at how cute it looks. And yeah, putting that to the side for now, the next thing we want to make is the cow's body. So we will first need to have a book base. So to do that, all we need to do is fold this in half, and this is our book base. The next thing we want to do is just fold the edge along the side that's folded in half in towards itself, about this much. Looks good. Cool. And then we want to unfold that and unfold the whole thing, because the next thing we want to do is fold either sides towards the creases we just made here. So the 2 creases here, we're going to fold the sides towards them and then squash it in half. The fold. Cool, like so. And then we want to fold these corners here, fold them up, squash, and then unfold, and repeat on all the other corners. Awesome, like so. And then what you're going to do next is fold the sides back, the top and bottom. So flipping it around, we will fold them in half, so you'll make a crease along here that's up to those 2 points, so like so. And then we want to repeat it on the other side, these 2 points here, and then squash in half. So then our model should look something like this, a small square for now. And then what we want to do is the corners here, which you can lift up. You want to fold them back, but not all the way, not touching. About this far back, so like 2/3 of the way. And then repeat on all the other corners. Awesome. So then once you've done that, what you want to do is open them out. So grabbing one here, we're going to slide our finger underneath and pull it up and squash them down to this shape. And we want to just do the same on all the other ones. Awesome. So then the final thing we want to do is fold it in on itself. So we want to fold not diagonally, horizontally here and here, so the legs are up for our model. So folding it down, and so it's up like that, and do the same on the other side. Folding it down. And then back up, prop them both up, and then this is the cow's body, like so. It's going to have a really hard time standing. But taking our toothpick here, we're going to slide this underneath, and as center as possible, we are going to poke it through. And then on the other side, we are going to poke the cow's head to attach it on. Like so, and then just push that through so the toothpick is hidden. Oh, you might need to inflate it a bit again. Why is it so hard? But yeah, this is our cow, and right now I've tried with my test model, but I can't stand it up. But it's really cute. I find it really cute. The way it just kind of bounces. Yeah, no, it's like way too like top heavy for it to stand up, but it's really cute and I really like it. I made a yellow one earlier, which is really cute. It's like a yellowy brown. It's kind of like golden. I'm not even sure how to position them. Oh my god. Cool, so here is how the finished product looks like. It looks really cute. I'm not sure how I'm going to prop them to stand up. I'll figure something out. But yeah, I hope you all enjoyed this video. As usual, write a comment down below what you thought about it. Thumbs up this video so I know you enjoyed this type of content. Subscribe for more origami videos like this and other sorts of art and craft videos I do on here. And yeah, thanks for watching everyone, and I hope to see you next time. Bye!